Hi, I'm John Wozinski, Deputy Director of Technology Development at America Makes. This next America Makes moment is a prime example of what our mission is all about. Collaboration that leads to exciting and new innovation in technology advancement. America Makes member Optomec responded to a project call and formed a team to advance the idea of combining their 3D printing manufacturing capability with traditional CNC machining. This new technology, known as hybrid manufacturing, is capable of helping companies manufacture in a way that they never could before, at significantly reduced costs. This project is an example of how America Makes is helping to bridge the technology gap, providing funding and technological assistance to help an idea come to maturity. We congratulate America Makes members Optomec, MachMotion, and TechSolve on this project and invite you to hear more from them in this America Makes moment.
It was a project funded by America Makes. Ourselves at Optomec led the project. We had two main partners. There was Mach Motion and TechSolve. Mach Motion is a machine tool control manufacturer. TechSolve is a premier machining non-profit who's helping manufacturers get better at machining.
So Optomec had contacted us, found us on the web, and they just said, can you guys help us? We have a need. We've contacted some other control manufacturers and we're running into a dead wall. And so Richard came out, visited Mach Motion's facility, went through what their need was, and we said, yes, we can help you. And so we started implementing additive needs into our control system, developed the software interface, and brought all that together with the mechanics and mounting a deposition head on the side of a VMC machining center. And here we are today.
So they needed part of the proposal was to have a test facility, and that we do a lot of that here. We're a third-party testing facility, so we didn't have to ramp down production of anything to be a part of the proposal. So.
The machine was purchased from eBay. It's from the 1990s, and we basically stripped it out, put a new controller on it, added laser deposition capability, powder feeders, laser deposition head, and created a hybrid machine where we have both the ability to do machining, conventional machining on a mill, and do laser deposition side by side. Because
we do this every day and we know motion control, we know machine tools, there were some challenges, but overall it was a mechanical design and just thinking out of the box and implementing our knowledge and putting all that together and what Optomec knew. And we worked together closely as partners to make this happen.
As the end user, one of the tests that they were interested in was how easily adoptable it was, how user-friendly the system was. So they we knew what was happening, but at the same time, it was kind of a trial by fire of what we could do with it immediately once we received it.
But many manufacturers have machine tools that are sitting there underutilized, but they could take an existing machine tool, add the capability to it, so they've got, again, both deposition and machining on the same work cell. They're getting into additive manufacturing much cheaper than buying a full system from Optomec or anyone. And you have an old asset which is rejuvenated. You can start using it for something which is completely brand new. It's a standard CNC interface that a regular CNC operator can just look at and say, yep, I know what that is, I know what that is, I know what standard G code is. Oh, what's this? It's a laser, it's a powder feeder. They can pick those things up.
They dropped the machine off, I think, on a Monday, and by Tuesday, when it was fully operational, we were actually building geometry and using the machine, both on the additive and subtractive side. There's usually a big learning curve with a new programming language, but in this case, the control was very conversational, and it was also very intuitive.
The whole point of having the machine here for a few months is that they would try to break it. And if they succeed, we fix it and learn from that, and if they don't, we declare success.
It's still in the testing phase. In the foreseeable future, at least in the short term, I see this being used in a lot of repair applications, and sometimes replacing current welding standard applications that are in industry and in government as well. So that's in the short term. In the long term, I see this the process being refined and being able to make parts.
We plan to help them integrate our solutions in the rest of their line of of machinery and continue to help move forward the whole 3D printing world and see where we can add value to people's to what they're doing and help the industry develop and produce products more cost effectively.
It's really exciting, especially it's new. We've been machining experts for years. This is our first foot in the door with additive. So it's really exciting to kind of see a new world, and also to kind of think outside of the box. And it's really teaching us how to think differently about how to make parts, as far as from material removal to actually adding material to create a part.
To me, the field is wide open. There are so many opportunities because you can get something finished straight off the machine. It's not rough, it's not slightly the wrong shape, it's done, it's finished. So there are many opportunities in repair, rework, manufacturing for this technology to be applied. Only the market will tell in the coming months and years which directions it's going to go in, and all we do is listen to the market. What do people want to buy? And that's the direction we head in.